So we are currently at Cincinnati Public Radio. It is a project that we managed for CPR. So we managed the day-to-day construction, quality, cost control, all of that good stuff associated with a project like this.
Since 1980, they've been in their current studios. The space has served them adequately for that time, but it's about half the size of this facility. And so when they came to us and envisioned a new building, that was something that was really important to them, is that they would be able to invite the public in for events and be able to show off the work that they do in radio.
I mean, the building we're sitting in today is all mass timber sourced out of Quebec, Canada, and it's all FRC certified and done in a sustainable manner.
The roofing phase probably took about a year. There were some starts and stops in there. The original design not only was to build a roof system configuration that would be capable of providing at least 30 years of service life, but also was originally built to include a vegetated roof.
Where it currently stands is that we are green roof ready, but it is still looking for a donor to fund it on this one.
Yes, this is what we call a hybrid Tremco roof system. It is a thermoplastic cap sheet, which also functions as a root barrier with two underlying plies underneath of that. So it's a 3-ply hybrid system with coverboard insulation and then a vapor retarder, vapor barrier where needed.
I would say that the installation process did proceed smoothly. Obviously, this is a fairly complex roof assembly, especially with the green roof components to it. So it could have gotten very complicated and not gone well very quickly, but because of the responsiveness of Tremco and honestly our partners in Calcruth Roofing, it was a very smooth process.
So when it comes to selecting roofing systems, we're looking for a lot of things to ensure that it's a high quality system. One of those things that we find beneficial is having on-site quality control. I've had that on, we had that on this project, but certainly other projects we've done with Tremco at universities and other institutions, that has been a successful and important feature in getting a roof that we have confidence in.
I hope to see many, many more of these mass timber construction buildings because they're gorgeous, and the more ways that we can reduce carbon emissions into our atmosphere, the better off that we will all be, because it will enable us to have a more survivable planet, but also a more resilient and a more enjoyable planet to live on.